Today, I'm building one of my most unique and quite frankly, one of my favorite sounding silent keyboards, producing a muted thump from a silent switch. And the journey begins with the Angry Meow Compact Touch. What sets this board apart is the adjustable leaf spring mechanism, which allows you to change the keyboard's feel by swapping out these metal leaves. This is the feature that's going to give the board the distinct feel I'm seeking. I also really like the touch bar in the front, so it's just another reason for me to use this board. Next up are the switches, and we're going to be using Geckos from Kinetic Labs. These are definitely the key ingredient to this magnificent build. They feature a palm stem with a silicone dampener, a polycarbonate top, nylon bottom, and a 54-gram actuation force spring. This combination results in a silent switch that doesn't feel mushy, but also has a unique sound. With everything assembled, this is what the keyboard sounds like.